Running a successful restoration business takes flexibility and focus, not to mention a lot of hard work. Much of this hard work goes into the complexity and frustration of managing your jobs, not the jobs themselves or driving growth. That's where Xcelerate comes in. We make job management simple from the initial call to paid in full. If taking that load off your plate isn't enough, here's 5 more reasons why Xcelerate isn't just software, it's growthware. We get it. Change is hard, but switching to Xcelerate isn't. Xcelerate takes the complexity out with the most intuitive platform available. We'll have you entering jobs in 20 minutes or less. Our full-service onboarding team will help guide you through the process, and our customer success team is here to take your platform and your business to the next level. In addition to always having our team of experts standing by to help solve your challenges, we have a comprehensive training library and our exclusive monthly growth series. This is where we dive into industry problems and provide executable solutions. With Xcelerate, you're not just adding powerful job management software, you're adding partners invested in your success. With so much complexity in each job and multiple stakeholders, important details can easily fall through the cracks. These details can cost you not only time, but also affect your bottom line. Xcelerate Tasks makes the handoff between departments and team members effortless with their customizable standard operating procedures and task workflows. We work with you to determine the perfect workflow for your unique business and set up easy-to-follow SOPs. This drives your team forward, gives on-site training and expectations, and keeps each stakeholder up to date through each step of the process. Skipping steps, forgotten documentation, and miscommunications become a thing of the past, and job completion becomes virtually effortless. The secret to your success is knowing and tracking important KPIs and monitoring your progress to make calculated improvements. With Xcelerate's comprehensive, customizable, and simple report building, you'll see these KPIs and more at a glance. Xcelerate is the most accurate and streamlined system in the industry to track valuable business insights by simply completing your work. Our system automatically tracks KPIs, milestones, and vital pieces of information about each job, helping you to make knowledgeable business decisions. Ultimately, this helps you have a clear picture of where your business is today and where it's going. Do you know who sent you that last lead? When was the last time you followed up with your best subcontractor? And where the heck has your sales team been all day? The Xcelerate CRM is built specifically for restoration contractors to help answer those questions and more. We make selling simple through route mapping, where you can easily plan your day, and repeatable routes. Our leaderboard and referral tracking give you top performers at a glance, so you can see exactly where your leads are coming from and nurture those relationships. You can even track your activity and marketing spend all in one simple platform. The Xcelerate Re-envisioned CRM was developed to drive accountability and maximize sales. Swivel chairing from system to system or tracking job information manually creates bottlenecks and impedes performance. Before long, you can't remember which system you entered what. Stop spinning in circles and view all of your information all in one place. Our goal is to return the power to the contractor. You have the freedom to choose your partners. Stop struggling and start succeeding with the most advanced integrations on the market and more being added every month. Xcelerate puts you in the driver's seat to grow your business. Talk to our team today and get a personalized glimpse of how we'll save your team hours, streamline your process, and ultimately grow your business. Expect more than software. Demand growthware.